Hi there. So in this question, we have John who's inviting 12 of his friends to a dinner party. Half of those 12 guests are men and half of them are women. And then we're also told that one of the men and one of the women are bringing desserts. The question is, if one of the people from this group is selected at random, what's the probability that that person is either a woman or a man who's not bringing dessert? So here on the left side of the screen, you can see that I've created 6 women total, represented by the letter W, one of which is bringing a dessert. And then we have 6 men represented by the letter M, and one of them is bringing a dessert. So to answer the question, we have to have a simple definition for probability. The basic definition of probability is the number of desired outcomes over the total number of possible outcomes. So the total number of outcomes, or the total number of guests in this case, is 12 guests. So that's our denominator. Our desired outcomes, based on the question that's being asked, is that the person selected is either a woman or a man who is not bringing dessert. So our desired outcomes are either women, whether they bring a dessert or not, or a man that is not bringing a dessert. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all the individuals, all the guests that meet either of these criteria, and we're going to move them into the circle. So we have this person who's a woman, this person is a woman, this person is a woman, and so on. And again, we have this person who is also a woman and also happens to be bringing dessert, but the question didn't ask anything or say anything about whether or not the women are bringing desserts. And then the second desired outcome would be a man who is not bringing dessert. So all of these men that don't have dessert with them are also part of the desired outcome. So inside my circle, I have 11 of the 12 guests who are either women or a man who is not bringing a dessert. So that's why the answer to this question is 11 out of 12. The probability of selecting a person at random who is either a woman or a man who is not bringing a dessert is 11 out of 12.